Well, I'm a transplant. I was born in Philadelphia and went to school at the University of Rochester, where I met my wife and did what everybody else is supposed to do and followed my wife back to New York. Went to Brooklyn Law School, which in and of itself has a great history in New York. Anywhere you turn, from mayors to judges to business people, all went to Brooklyn Law School. It kind of always amazes me. And I've been practicing legally. Now, I've been admitted to the bar since 1995, January of 95, and I was in the practice working as a legal intern for at least a year before that, so for now, almost 15 years. And it's been a very intense 15 years. When I first started working, I lived in Brooklyn, and I was in walking distance to the office and to the courthouse, so I worked quite a lot. I'm still within pretty close driving distance to most of the courthouses now. I live in Westchester, New York, and I'm the father of 4. We had 4 in about 5.5 years, and it's the greatest thing that I could ever have done. And I live in a town called Harrison, New York. And again, I'm only a few minutes away from the office. Active member of my community on a lot of levels, from coaching girls basketball, my son's Little League. I'm on the Homeowners Association just because I'm an attorney, but let me tell you, that's interesting. And I'm very active with my wife in the Pediatric Cancer Foundation, of which she's president. Their new website is pcfweb.org. It's a foundation that's been around since 1971, raising money for research for children's cancer. It supports 5 local hospitals in the New York area, and they have provided millions of dollars to buy centrifuges and equipment, and it truly is a touching thing. And a lot of people ask how we got involved, and thankfully, not by personal experience, my wife became friendly with the executive director at a Mommy and Me class, and it goes back to our caring nature. We like to give back. My son is being bar mitzvahed, and he's been raising school supplies for children who are in the hospital as his what we call a mitzvah project, a give back project. And it's just a really important part of our life, because no matter how much you do, if you don't give a little bit back, what are you doing?